So the question before us is about rolling up the details in a contract. That if we look at the contracts, you have all these contracts, and when you invoice them, um, we were talking about this one here. And when you go to the summary, you can see we have all these contracts. And then in addition to that, we have all these services inside a recurring contract. So the question is, how do you roll those up to make them a single line item? So I'm going to roll over the contracts and go to invoice templates. We have a copy of customer default. Um, and so I'm just going to go into design there. And then you'll notice when you roll over the middle here, it says invoice body to edit. I think you can click anywhere, but I always click on the edit button. This is your kind of like your column chooser for the invoice. But then down here you have um, um, opportunities. So here you have roll up, do not roll up. Um, so all by billing code, labor by contract, labor by project. So this is all the different ways you can roll it up. Do not roll up is in the detailed level, but you could roll up by location. Um, you can roll up by work type. You can roll up by billing code, and that sort the list. You could sort it by item type and then date. Um, date and then item type, then item itself. So and I think the date they're looking for is a proven post. But this is where you determine if it's rolled up. Show labels in the description column when rolled up. That's up to you. And then once we get here and we go roll up by billing code, now you can see do not itemize, or you can itemize within each group or itemize at the end of the invoice. So some different combinations to play with when we talk about, how do you want it rolled up on the invoice. Do not roll up shows you full details, and then you can roll it up in these other areas. You can sort them by different things, and then you can itemize them. So do not itemize. So you're going to roll it up by billing code, but then do not itemize, and that gets you to that one line item. I hope this is helpful. Let me know, and if it's not, shoot me an email, and I'll give another attempt to explain how to use the invoice template to roll up or not to roll up contract items, services, and contracts on the invoice. Other than that, have an awesome day.